Okay, we got 160 Fahrenheit, nickel briquette, and some unknown concentration of nitric acid, probably 50%. That's my guess. Maybe 40. Anyway, the solution's heating up right now. It's just sort of degassing. It's been sitting outside for a while, so it's probably oxygen bubbles coming off. Anyway, we're going to watch the temperature rise and get back to it here in just a few minutes. Time now is 5:38 p.m. 5:27:12. Okay, there we are. 190 degrees, and I hope you can see there's quite a bit of hydrogen bubbles coming off there. Yeah. Temperature's 191. Yep. Okay, we're going to try to get this up to boiling so you can see the difference between the reaction where there's hydrogen involved and nitric acid boiling. Okay, it's 5:44 p.m. Temperature behind the beaker is 198. I'd bring this camera in a little bit closer to see if you can see those bubbles a little bit better. Bubbling pretty good now. A little steam coming off the top. So looks like we're cooking now. Okay, time is 5:48. Still bubbling nicely. The solution is turning nice and green, 205 degrees. And I kick up the temperature a bit here on the rheostat. Setting is about 5.5 now. Okay, it's a minute later. It's 5:49, and the temperature is 209, 210. It's bubbling real nicely. I think we've got nitric acid boiling now. I need to get the concentration of nitric acid from that 209 degree boiling point, and I'll have a little better results for you. But there's no NOx vapors yet. No brown fumes coming off. And I think I might crank it down just a little bit here in a minute. Okay, it's 5:51, 211 degrees. And looks like we definitely got boiling of nitric acid plus hydrogen evolution. I think I'm going to crank down the temperature and see when the nitrogen bubbles cease. Okay, I took the beaker off the hot plate and we're going to put it on top of some gauze. You can see the temperature is now 208, 7, 6. It's falling. And the bubbling is still continuing, but only slightly. Yeah. Okay, it's 5:53, temperature now at 194, and the bubbling is almost stopped, indicating you got to get that temperature up to at least a couple hundred degrees, as you well know, to get the nickel nitrate reaction going.